Now it goes
Yeah,
from fuck to chip.
You're making a fucking breaking sound at this stage.
Fuck.
What the fuck? Just that much?
You came very close by now.
No! I took your corner!
People.
Take your top off.
Naked spinning, oh for fuck's sake. Or, what is it?
Naked spinning while a goat is running over you.
Yeah. Yoga spinning.
I'm in your way.
Yeah, you're fucking in my way.
I'm really in your
Fuck's sake.
space here in my house.
I get all wool from you in my nettles. No, that's not true. That only happened once. So now you can say like, it's not a pure nettle dress. There's a tiny bit of my wool in there. Yeah.
You need a fake break.
No, I'm almost done. Fuck you.
Oh, you fucking do now. Ding doo diddle die. Now, I better reorganize myself before I'm getting
Strangled by nettle string.
well, yeah, in the hand of a certain human. So, how to be kicked out of your own worktop?
I always do that when I'm here. I always kick you out of your own space. You know that. You know. Then Baptiste comes in. Jesus, it's taking all the space. Yeah. My stuff is everywhere. He hasn't the place to sit.
I get the message.
Fuck off.
That.
Immediately, yeah?
Two.
Yeah, what was wrong about the corner there? Back there. Back there.
Fuck off.
What's wrong with that, huh?
I'll tell you in a minute what's wrong with it.
We work very well together.
Oh, yeah.
No, we don't have any issues.
We don't.
Gotta move.
Yeah, the table is really squeaky.
Okay then. I stop carding. I sit here.
Yes, sit there. Blend in with wool. Very good. Now you look a little bit too much wall. You have to blend in more with the wool. With that shitty wool. Very good. Okay.
better? Oh, darling. Don't be so felted. Yeah, that's better. Soften. Yeah, let it loose. Wrap yourself around the drum.
Oh. And I put Joachim on here on.
Now I lost my needle because I had to move. Then I have to move this here.
No, I'm finished now. So you can move here again for a while.
You really think I'm gonna unscrew that garter again? Do you know what you talking about is absolute nonsense, Ickel.
Yeah, and now she's taking the light too. All for herself.
My light, my corner, my table.
I don't need light now. I can do this in the dark.
Oh, I can spin in the dark.
No, I'm not spinning. Don't have to spin now. I have to do something else.
Oh, what do you have to do then?
Yeah.
Huh? Come on, tell me.
Yeah.
What about,
Make
what
a
about...
scheme.
What? Oh.
Yeah. That's a bit on two.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Making me spin. I'm cleaning a carder.
Have fun.
I am. You're funny. You're funny. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're funny. Yeah, yeah, yeah. They're cleaning the carder. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh.
And if you take it off the card or with a hand card,
And then?
instead of needling around there,
Do you think that's funny?
it might work better.
Why don't you just wrap your thing around my chair? What is lovely? So much fun.
I'm so happy. Make my thing around the chair.
And you're happy cleaning a garden with
You are
your
not.
knitting.
You are not.
How do you know how I feel?
I'm so happy.
I cleaned the garden and you didn't.
Thank God I didn't.
Because you wouldn't have been able to.
Whose color is that, huh?
A nice woman. But that's not you. Just
See,
because
that's
I
the
took
other
all
me.
the light of you.
I don't need
Well, you're having it now.
Fuck off with your lights.
Excuse me, this is my new fancy, once upon a time, lifetime, last of the Mohican light.
Yeah, and the idea is from my house. It was very French about it.
I'm not gonna play with you anymore, and I'm gonna ring my mommy now in a minute. And then my mommy, she's gonna so give out to you.
I have a mummy too, you know. She's gonna hit your mummy.
She can't hit my mummy. She's got a Zimmer frame, and my mummy has an e-bike. She go.
She's gonna hit your mummy with a Zimmer frame.
But she can't catch her because my mummy has an e-bike.
Oh. Well, then my mum just stands in the way, and your mum can't get past that Zimmer frame, and then she falls over the Zimmer frame. Your mum does. Your mum doesn't know where the brakes are on the e-bike.
I can't say anything now because you've got a sibling more than me. Because I couldn't trust you with my sisters. And then you say, I've got a brother.
I have a brother.
I've got a fiancé.
I don't.
And 2 ex-husbands. And dogs.
Oh, but they'll come with me.
And a son and a daughter.
They'll come with me, the dogs.
Yeah, you know why?
Oh, you know why?
You need watching.
I need watching. Yeah.
Yes, go kill the frigging German.
See, he doesn't listen to you.
Not only does he not listen, he doesn't even fucking wake up.
Oh, see? Told you.
I'm under distress here. 5 dogs. Me being attacked.
See? I am so happy.
My daddy will come. And if your mummy trips my mummy over with the Zimmer frame, then my daddy's gonna come with his camper van and it's gonna go.
My daddy's way more scary. It's cold.
Fuck you. My spirit animal. Gotcha, eh? Ah! My spirit animal got you. But I didn't even tell you what it is.
I have more spirit animals than you. And then my guardian angel.
Yeah, go on, tell me. Tell me all about it. Because my personal devil will fuck your guardian angel anytime. And thinking that's what it's gonna sound like.
Yeah.
And then it goes. Anyway, I've got a certificate of spirituality. I did the course.
I'm certified spiritual.
I pay money to find my spirit animal.
Certified organic vegan spiritual. I'm in the woke club.
I'm a doula.
Doula dum.
Doodly doodly
Doula
doodly
dum.
doodly doodly doo la la doo. Dum. Make you happy. But my crystal is bigger than yours.
my crystal has so much energy, it's gonna make your crystal explode.
Well, then I'm gonna have loads of crystal when my crystal explodes. My crystal was dug out by child labor.
My crystal is not artificial.
My angel cards are from Hay House.
What the fuck is Hay House?
The best ever spiritual publishing company. If it is Hay House, it ain't any good.
Oh? Oh? I make my own.
And you don't even know what it is.
I make my own spiritual cards.
No, you can't.
Oh, yeah,
You need a guru for that.
I'm a guru myself. I'm an
Your
artist.
ego is out of proportion.
Yeah. You're just reflecting.
You haven't done your shadow work.
You're just reflecting. It's all yourself.
I have done my shadow work with a shaman.
Yeah, once.
No, it was an entire weekend.
And how much did you pay?
More than you did.
Nah. Exactly.
But he told me I'm very spiritual.
I'm very sexy.
My shaman comes from a lineage. And anyway, my eggs are vegan.
My eggs are vegan. What eggs?
Anyway, my uncle is unemployed.
Good on him! But you do make the color quite full. I don't think I make enough full.
Yeah, this isn't. Let me see. Where am I? Yeah, this is full now. I still see the spines, the cards, the metal carding device yolks.
Yeah, because you have so much fluff coming off.
Well, I'm taking the fluff off that.
Yeah, but still. I wouldn't have that much.
Well then go on then, fucking card it and show me how to do it, for fuck's sake! Oh, so good. It's just... Love it. Fucking love it. Yeah. Seeing that we've been arguing for the past half an hour.
Better call it a day now.
You better call it a fucking day now. Or it'll end in tears.